Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect a VW Atlas garage door opener. Start by placing the remote and key fob near the overhead opener motor and the vehicle. Press the vehicle home link button you want to program while holding the remote close. Watch for the garage motor light to blink or hear a click indicating pairing. Test the button twice to confirm consistent operation before stowing your remote and closing the door. Use pairing mode on the garage motor and home link in the vehicle to establish a secure connection. First, press the motor's Learn button until the indicator lights or pulses. Immediately return to your Atlas and press the home link button you want to program for about 10 seconds or until the motor light blinks. Release and test by pressing the programmed button once to confirm the garage door responds reliably. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make hauling snacks and tools easy without spills, which is great for a clean VW Atlas cargo area. They seal tightly, stack well, and save time during busy projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the opener does not respond, don't panic. Try common fixes before calling for help. Turn the vehicle off and on to reset home link, then repeat the learn and press sequence slowly and steadily. For rolling code systems, be patient and reattempt until the motor acknowledges the signal. Check battery condition in the remote if available and ensure no signal interference from nearby electronics during programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.